There is only one thing at the root of what's distracting and derailing you from the work you know you were here to do. It's not fear and it's not money. It is deeper and more fundamental. Everything you're experiencing and everything you're wanting to shift is an expression and a symptom of this one thing that lies at the root. It projects a fractured and colorful kaleidoscope of experiences and frustration from its inevitable pinhole of white light, making it appear as if you have multiple distinct challenges, obstacles, and blocks that you need to prioritize and resolve. When, in truth, they all arise from the same root source. They are all expressions of the same root pattern, and they are all pointing you to the one thing at the root of it all. This is why you will not untangle it and move forward with your work with solutions aimed at resolving procrastination, confusion, reaching, or chaos, or discrete marketing, strategic, or relationship issues. They will not satiate your longing, and they will continue to lead you right back here because they do not reach and untangle the root of it, where it is, and as what it is. They are not designed to do that. The root of what distracts and derails you is at the center of the operational pattern of your life, rooted in the ground of your being. You have been relying upon it, running up against it, and attempting to untangle it for your entire life. And it is most likely the one thing you avoid confronting. You are likely willing to withstand a lot of pain in order to avoid it. That is why it is so maddeningly persistent and hidden. It is why unwinding it feels elusive, and the work of releasing it feels never ending. But when you get clear on it, things will get simpler and more potent, and you will untangle all of it because you only have one line of inquiry to undertake. You only have one practice to do, one pattern to shift. And the beauty, the real miracle, is that this is also what will allow everything to come together for you. I invite you to join me for a 90-minute group experience or a private intensive to get clear on the one thing at the root of what distracts and derails you, gently and swiftly. You will learn why there is only one thing that's distracting and derailing you from your life's work, and why your current practices likely aren't untangling it. You will craft the inquiry and the intention that will most powerfully get you clear on what's at the root of it. Together, we will practice a simple one syllable Sanskrit mantra to get clear on what that one thing is for you and begin to untangle it. And you will receive my insight and guidance through my listening down to your subtle energy vibration on how to best untangle that one thing for you. You will feel immediate relief at naming what that one thing is for you, and through a real time, energetic, often physical, mental, and emotional shift within you. And it will catalyze deeper transformation, often beyond words or your initial comprehension, that will unfold over time. Clients tell me that they experience profound transformation and release from the moment the session begins, and that its impact continues to ripple through and reveal itself weeks, months, and even years later. When we work energetically at the root, it really can be that simple. I would love to work with you in this first step to get clear on the one thing at the root of it for you. Links are in the show notes to register for the next One Thing workshop or to schedule a private One Thing intensive. I'm Rebecca Ramadevi Preen, a business advisor, spiritual teacher, and attorney, and your host of the Sacred and Strategic podcast. I mentor visionary women to integrate the sacred and the strategic parts of your work through spiritual practice, intellectual property strategy, and business model design without sacrificing financial stability or professional respect. This is an excerpt from my book. This again, Untangle the Root of What Distracts and Derails You from Your Life's Work, which is available as a paperback, ebook, or audiobook.